In the beginning, it was all I could think about, all I could feel. Gnawing on my right hip and every inch of my thigh, my leg and foot. Chronic pain. I was referred to one specialist after another, each with a different diagnosis, none with a cure. So I began to research remedies to get rid of pain, or at least to lessen it. I was on my own. Wanting to assess my situation, I drove up to Little Mountain and wrote in my journal a list of all my losses. It was long. I reread it and turned the page. This time it was different. I soon found other ways of turning the page. I joined a meditation group that met once a week, and then I attended my first meditation retreat. It was led by a well-known teacher who focused on the topic of spaciousness. As she guided the first meditation, she asked, "As you sit here, calming the mind, is there anything unpleasant or distressful grabbing your attention?" My mind sprang into action. Oh God, how did she know? Pain. Yes, pain. "How much of your mind is this taking up?" she asked. "All of it," I thought. "The whole bloody thing. Every last synapse and neuron." "And how is that landing in your body?" "It's killing me. I don't know how long I'll be able to take it." She went on. "Can you imagine creating a space around that unpleasantness?" I could see pain stuck inside that space. "Examine this pain," she said. "Investigate it thoroughly. What are its qualities, its dimensions?" "Its qualities?" "Aching, penetrating, never-ending, stopping me from dancing through life." "And its dimensions?" "Well, it's taking up my right hip and right thigh and, oh no, I've been letting it take up my whole mind." "What else is there?" she asked. "What is in the space beyond the pain?" "Oh my God, there's the rest of me. My whole other side, my head, my hands, my body, my life. They're all still here, functioning, and I never noticed or felt grateful until now." I had turned another page. The last meditation from that retreat was called Big Sky. We were asked to see our thoughts, emotions, and sensations as clouds in the sky. Clouds are not solid, and although the pain felt completely solid to me, I could imagine how I experienced it as ephemeral, coming and going like clouds. Even if clouds are dark or cover the whole sky in a terrible storm, I realized there's always blue sky and sunshine beyond. I was becoming someone with a new attitude, a new way of looking at and living with pain. I continue turning the page.